do? It's your boy, BC Wagner, Mental Hustle Millionaire. You know, I'm feeling good, y'all. What's going on with it? How y'all doing today? Yo, man, if you'll do me a favor, hit the like button. I want you to share this video. Man, I am so happy today. I am just ecstatic today, man. I'm just having the best day of my life right now, right this moment. You know what I'm saying? I am feeling great. And I hope that you are too. It's a brand new year. The first month is gone. And it was a positive month with profit. And I'm so excited. And I experienced something new, you guys, over the last 4 weeks that just really changed my life. And I tell you, with the passing of Kobe and his daughter and all those victims in that helicopter and someone else who was close to me, it just made me reflect that we are all that we have in this world. We are all we got. We are all the same. We are all one. There may be differences of thinking, but the core, we are all one. I am you just as you are me. You know what I'm saying? Whatever I do to you happens to me. It's just the law of the universe. Reciprocity, I believe that's the word. Forgive my English. But you know what I'm saying. Do unto others as you will have them do unto you. So, I just say that to say, man, everybody that you meet, everybody that you come across, everybody that you pass by, just see yourself in that person. I don't care if it's a bum that's laying on the street, a homeless person, a person in a 3-piece suit, someone driving a Bentley. It doesn't matter. We are all the same. We are all one. And that's just comes from a mindset of abundance and a mindset of knowing who I am. Because I know who I am, I can recognize myself when I see someone. Because we are all the same. We are all one. So, I am constantly training my thoughts to see the perfect idea of God or the Creator in each and every individual, even in the animals, even in insects. I mean, you know, we look at nature and we know that nature is beautiful on its own, by its own merit. But you know what? Each and every one of us, we are just as beautiful, created beautifully, you know, and to come here to enjoy the goodness of this life. So, look here, because I have a change of thinking, I have to really admit that I owe it all to the overnight millionaire. And the reason why I say that is because this program, which was created by Wesley Virgin, is a phenomenal way of getting rid of the old thoughts that you used to have that didn't work in exchange for some new, powerful, good thoughts that do work and will work once you program it into your own subconscious mind. And just know this. The only reason why science says that we only use 10% of our brains is because the subconscious uses the other 90%, and we have not learned to use our subconscious properly because our subconscious is always being bombarded. You know what I'm saying? Advertisements, video clips, you know, television, radio, everything. You already know what I'm saying? Your subconscious mind is the most impressionable thing in the universe. It's the most precious thing in the universe, and it's very, very sensitive. I should say it's the most sensitive thing in the universe. But anyway, getting back to the programming of my subconscious mind through the Overnight Millionaire, this program, man, has words in it in which when you get them memorized and you start to feel the words, then that's when your speech or your words that come out of your mouth start to change, because then you start to speak what it is that you want instead of what you don't want. And guys, you know, your words are very powerful. I tell you, do me a favor, like this, share this, share this, like this, please. What happens is when you have a change of your words and a change of your thoughts, and you use your visualization and your imagination, then, man, that's when things start to happen. You know what I'm saying? That's when the magic, so-called magic, appears. Because thought is everything. And what you learn in the Overnight Millionaire is that how to use thought properly and correctly to enjoy the good of life. So, look, you may already know this stuff, and that's great if you do. But if this is your first time seeing this video and hearing something like this, I gotta tell you, you are a very powerful individual right now. And all you need to do is align your thoughts and get some new thoughts and develop some new speech for yourself in order to turn things around in your life. It's just that simple. You know what I'm saying? So look here. With that being said, I want to thank you for tuning in. Do me a favor. Please like this. Please share this. Hit the like button, please. And share this with someone. Please share this with someone. Because we all need good words in our subconscious mind, no matter where they come from, no matter who they're from, as long as the message, is positive and it's good. And I like to spread goodness. I hope you do too. Yo, it's your boy BC Wagner. Thanks for tuning in. Do me a favor, like this, share this, and I'll be talking to you real soon.